Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss your example 6 in your notes as your homework here. So a mathematics quiz is given to 3 students, Azian, Balqis and Ting. From the past experience, know that the probability for Azian, Balqis and Ting will get the correct solution are 0.65, 0.6 and 0.55 respectively. So if 3 of them attempt to solve the puzzle without consulting each other, find the probability that the puzzle will be solved correctly by all of them. Or question B, only one of them will go in to solve it correctly. So for this question, we need to consider 3%. So in this case, we are going to use our tree diagram in order to analyze it one by one. So for the first phase, I'm going to analyze on the person A, which is Aziati. So for Aziati, they were going to solve the puzzle or not solving the puzzle. So here will be the outcome from Aziati. For solving it, it will be 0.65. So when we cannot solve it, it will be 1 minus 0.65, which is 0.35. Now we proceed to second phase, which is the B person Balqis. So for Balqis, our outcome will be getting solving or not solving. So solving or not solving. So for Balqis, they are going to solve, the probability going to solve is 0.6, not going to solve 0.4. Meanwhile, for the third phase here, we are going to consider about person number 3, which is Jin Shiting. So for Jin, it will going to solve or it might not getting to solve. So here will be our outcome. So by using tree diagram, we can see overall for all the outcome. So for Jin here, the probability is going to solve is 0.55. So not going to solve it will be 0.45. So here's our outcomes. We can see here it will be S, and then for this it will be S, not S. So for here it will be S, not S, and then S, not S, and then not S, and then this is not S, not S, and then here will be not S, lastly, not S, not S. So from here, we are going to answer our questions for question number A, where we need to find the probability that the puzzle can be solved correctly by all of them. So means everyone can solve it, it will be the situation solve, and solve. So for this probability, solve, and solve, it will equals to, for the first S, 0.65 times the second S here, 0.6 times the third X here is 0.55. So our probability will get 3.2145. So meanwhile, for question B, we are requested to find only one of them getting the correct solution. So our outcome here will be S, not S, only one of them. Here is our another outcome, and here will be our another outcome. So we will be this will be having 3 cases here where S, not S, not S. Another case here will be not S, not S. And then the lastly here will be not S, S. In order to get only one of them get the correct solution. So follow the path of this tree diagram and we can find our probability. So for S, 0.65, go for not S, 0.4, go for not X here, 0.45 plus not S, 0.35, and then go for S, 0.6, and then go for not S here will be 0.45, plus another case here, not S, 0.35, and then not S, 0.4, and then go for S, it will be 0.55. So lastly, use your calculator, we'll get our answer 0.2885. So that's all. Thank you.